Data import. There would be numerous occasions in your life as a Salesforce administrator that you would have to export data from Salesforce and import data into Salesforce as well. It could be from another system, it could be a CSV file. So how do you manage that data? Sometimes in order to modify the existing data as an administrator, what you would do, you would create a report, export that report as a CSV, make the changes there, and then you would insert the data again. So this is, in this scenario, you would actually have to have like 18-digit ID on your report instead of 15-digit ID on your report. So remember, when we were talking about reports, I told you that reports only give 15-digit ID when you export the report. If you want to do a data management using reports, then you need to have 18-character ID on your report. And how do you do that? You create a formula, row level formula using case feed ID, which would convert that 15-digit into 18-digit. Alternatively, create a formula field on your object which would say 18-character ID and use case feed ID there in that formula. Either way, these are the two options. You can convert your 15-digit ID into 18-digit ID on a report. How do you do data import? There is an import wizard which is available straight away within Salesforce. You click here. So basically you go to setup and click search for data import wizard, and this is how it would come up for you. So this is a wizard. Let's see what it does. So let's click on launch wizard for us. So this is very important, and this would come when you try to give your administrator certification, that what all objects can you use using data import wizard. So you can use account and contacts, leads, solutions, and campaign members. You cannot import opportunities from a data import wizard. This is something very important to remember. You cannot create a campaign from data import wizard, but you can import campaign members. Similarly, custom object, you says I don't have sufficient permissions, but basically on standard objects, these are the only 4 objects which you can import. Let's say let's create leads. So what you can do is you can add new records, you can update existing records. So what I said a moment ago, let's say you want to update certain fields on multiple lead records or account records. So what you do, you export the report with your 18-character ID, and then you change the values in the CSV and then do an update existing records. You're sorted. So now when you say update existing records or create new records, what it would do is it would ask you to, if you want to match the lead with the existing lead, and then you want to, who do you want to assign this lead to, like the source you want to set it up. Let's say I want to set, and if there's an assignment rule, then I want to use that assignment rule. And then what I would do is I would put a CSV here. So for that I need to have a CSV. So I have my file here. So what I'll do is I'll choose file, I'll select my CSV file, click next, and then I would do the mapping. So as long as your column name, your CSV header name matches with the name on the system, it would try, import wizard would try and match it automatically, and then it tries to show you the data as well. If you don't see a mapping, then you can do a mapping here. Let's say I want to do it with, I can't do it with the user. If you can't find a mapping, then just leave it as is and do next. So it says it has found 13 fields mapped and 2 unmapped, and you can start import. You can click OK, and then you can view the request. It has processed and it has completed 44 records which are inserted.
If you have any questions, you can join the QA session, which happens every Friday, and please drop in your comments, feedback, and any questions in the comment section, and I'll get back to you.